Think we're live? Yep, that looks it. Okay. Um. So, hi to anybody that's going popping in. This is just going to be me working on some college work and maybe chatting every now and again. I don't know how this is going to work, to be honest with you. um. Is there a way that I can only show the chat? Enable slow mode? No. Enable live chat. I do want live chat enabled. I would like to talk to people, but I don't know how to... pop out chat. Awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. So yeah, if anybody wants to talk to me, I'll check the chat every now and again, and we'll see how this goes. Yeah, maybe I'll put the chat down here, just underneath. Anyway, look, if you're watching, just say hi. I'm streaming just for the sake of it, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe some people might find it interesting. So, yeah, let's get into it. There's not much I need to do, actually, to be honest. So, a little bit about me. I'm a fourth year student studying web development at CIT. And for one of my assignments, I must create an interactive visualization of some data. So I decided to pick UFO data. And yeah, I'm making like a little map application that will display all these little dots in D3, showing where UFO sightings occurred and all that stuff, which should be pretty cool, I hope. Just check everything's healthy. Yep, looks healthy. Thank God. So, in case you haven't guessed, this is my first time ever like live streaming. So yeah, I'm just gonna start up the server. Node mon server. It's also pretty late. It's like 9:30, and I'm only starting now. And I don't know if I'll stream for very long. We'll see what happens. It's just basically so I can see the quality of the live stream, my microphone setup, the sound, all that crap. So anyway, that's started. Gonna put my code editor up here. Fuck. Probably can't curse on YouTube, can I? It's probably not a good idea. I do not know what I'm doing, but that's okay. Anyway, localhost. I think I need to go to localhost 3000. Yep, that's it. Now, I just want to say that the code for this is extremely messy. So please don't judge me too hard on this. And I have this along with, I don't know how many other assignments to bang out, so. So yeah, look, the live stream is just going to be me programming and giving out probably into the microphone. So if you have any comments, leave them in the chat, and I'll take a look at them later on. Right, where was I? So that's just all the sightings going onto the map. These sightings are going on by year. Now, the next thing to do is make it so that when I go like this, I can go backwards and have it take away. That's gonna be interesting. How am I going to implement that? Not sure. So I have this, the range counter, slider, whatever. That's it. So I have this working that when it changes, it gets the year and it adds that year on. Currently, I don't have it set up to go backwards, and so I don't know how I'm going to do that. I could just wipe it and redraw all the points. How do we do that in D3? D3, remove all elements with class. Probably something simple. This is like I didn't go to any of the lectures for this. Probably should have, but that's fine. It's fine. All the answers are right here. Yeah. D3 select all, star remove. So okay, I don't wanna just do select all dot remove. Select all dot remove. And now what that's going to do is it's going to remove all the dots, so this way it will only show the current year's dots, I think. Not sure. No, it's still just adding dots. Select all, dot remove. What does that actually do for me? Oh shit. Just put it here a sec. Just drawing so many nodes on the page. This computer's gonna die. New. Okay, so that doesn't work. So do I need to do this? .html. Why do I need to get the parent? Yeah, I don't understand how enter works. I just see it and use it. So, should that have came first? Probably. So dot enter. I'm not going to read anything. I'm just going to try a few different things and see what works. Only when my fucking around stops working will I ever actually read the documentation. So that just looks like it's still adding. So that doesn't work. It's probably a great stream to watch. Somebody just fucking around. There's nobody watching anyway. 0 watches. Gee, thanks guys. Thanks. Yeah, I'm new to this. I probably shouldn't even be showing you this page, should I? Although, that's blocked, so that's fine. Restore chat. Nothing to see. It's over here. I get it. Although, maybe this is working. I think it is, you know. Let's just try to remove that because I remember there was more points on the map. So if I go from all the way at the bottom all the way up to the top, no, something weird's happening. Something weird is going on here. If I move too quickly, does it not like get each year or something? I remember there specifically being 3 dots right here when I started doing this assignment. And now there's not. Well, I recall there being another one here. That's my max. 2006. It's huh. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am wrong. Year change. Update filter. So this is the original way I was doing it. So I'm just gonna put this on a sec. And then I'm going to not touch the slider. So this should load all the dots onto the page. This is like really slow. Which is why I'm trying to implement this slider at the bottom so that you can choose to progressively add things onto the page. Yeah, see that? You know what that is? Maybe it doesn't have date. Date and time 2007? No, it should show up. Our max is 2006. That -1. There's a -1 happening somewhere. So, alright, let's forget about this shit a while. Where's my -1? -1. There's an array somewhere where I'm getting the min and the max. Control min. I'm just trying to find the min. That was a bad one to find. There we go. Min. So dot length -1 is 2006. Is that right? That can't be right because we have a 2007, don't we? Let's try just printing out. Yeah. So I'll copy these. Bring them down here. Do that and do that. So I'll leave the -1 on the top and put the one that's the full length on the bottom. We'll just console log this out and see what the hell is going on. And I could have done that better. So there you go. So now let's refresh this and see what happens. Where? The hell's going on here? Boom. Cannot be property of daytime. Yeah. So that's right, because that's overflowing. But why is the last day 2006? And there's a point that's 2007. Go to UFOs. Ooh, right. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom and scroll up. 2006. Where the fuck is 2007 coming in? Where's that point coming from? There's more points. Son of a bitch, I thought this was in order. Why? What? What? Oh no. That sucks. So these are just all the ones that happen in like November. Oh no. So that's not correct at all. It's not in order of date. Shit. Okay, no problem. Where am I? Here. How's the stream going? No comments? Okay. Yeah, there's probably nobody watching, is there? Oh, one watching. Hi, person. Thanks for watching. For you, Mr. One Person watching, or Mrs. Whatever, I'm doing a college assignment right now, and I just found out that the data that I had that I thought was in order of year isn't actually in order of year, which kind of fucks up my math, to be honest. So I got to fix some stuff. I'm gonna have to fix this here. I'm gonna have to order them. I'm gonna have to order my data somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I haven't thought about that yet. Maybe I should just get ordered data. You wouldn't happen to be into web development, would you? You can recommend something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Can I order data here? Let's see that. I don't know. Order CSV by date. Can we do this in JavaScript? I know, D3. Let's try that. Data sorting with D3. Wonderful. That is me right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. This will be cast to numbers and automatically data.sort. I also have what's it called, Moment.js. So maybe sort by date. Let's try that. Sort array by date. Gives unexpected results. Well, that's not good. Yeah, not sure what to do. Where? Not cool. Right. I don't know. Can I do it in Visual Code, I wonder? Sort CSV file by date in VS Code. Wait, is there a plugin? It's for Visual Studio though. That's not for Visual Studio Code, is it? I don't know. Okay, let's write in a little algorithm, shall we? Oh, I could just open this. I have a better idea. Fuck this. I should really stop cursing. I'm hoping that this is going to be a good enough YouTube channel in time. I could probably just take down this video, I guess. That'd be smart. Right, so we're looking for UFOs, open with an application, view applications. Do I have anything to open it with? There we go. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. There we go. Fuck off. Oh no. Dead time doesn't load, does it? Oh, it does. Cool. Can we sort this? I wonder. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Right click. Sort. Descending. Expand this section, please. See how quick that was? And now I don't have to program it. Awesome. I need it the other way though. So let's do, what was it? Ascending. Yes, expand please and thank you. Woohoo! Awesome. That's much better. We can just save that. The file you're trying to save may contain features that are not compatible with the current file format. What features though? Yeah. We'll see what happens. Exit that. Minimize this. Go back to here. See, that's what I like to do. I don't like to write something like, what's the point in writing a sort function when you could just do that? It mightn't work. What's printing out 2014? Try open this UFOs file again. See, that's correct. That is correct. That is nice. And I presume 2014 is the very last date in this. If it goes down properly. God damn it. Yeah. Yes, it does. So now, when I go this way, look at all those errors. Okay. Back to index. That's fine. That's fine a while. Where am I? It's doing this. What? What's going on? SVG to select all that data.enter is not a function. What's wrong with this? Why doesn't that work? Like, that was working the whole time. If I just undo everything, just undo all that crappy code. Undo all the crappy code. Undo the crappy code. There we go. Save. Refresh. Okay. Huh. Oh. Oh. What? So, there's a problem. What is that problem? That's weird. So it starts to work when we get to the year. I don't know, what year did we get to? 1949. There's dots at 1949. Oh, you see? Yeah, still not doing that. What? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Oh, the min-max is correct. The min-max is correct in the range here. We're getting the right dates. But for some reason, there's an error. .data.enter is not a function. Why? Sightings at year 1907. Right, because I'm building an object or an array. Was it nested arrays or something? I'm a bit now. For printout sightings, what happens? So yeah. What does that say? 1906. Oh. So I don't think... Yeah, 1906 works. Right. 1906 has a dot. But then all the way up to 1917 doesn't have any dots. So when I start going up, we're gonna get errors all the way up to 1917, and 1917 shouldn't have a problem then. Yeah, no problem. See that? Okay. So I guess we could put in an if statement and say if sightings at year dot length is greater than 1, the length is greater than 1, then yes, do all this stuff. Otherwise, simply don't. That would make sense, I think. Let's refresh that. Okay, and no, I'm still getting that error. Oh, property.length is undefined. Settings at year dot length. Oh well. What's our if sightings at year exists? I don't know how that work. Does that return true or what? Or false? True or false? Oh, that works. Yeah. Well. Yeah. That kind of works. That didn't print out everything that I wanted it to print out, to be honest. But we're not getting errors. And no errors is always a good thing, I would imagine. I'm drinking Coke at 10 o'clock at night. I think it's a lot later than it is. I was expecting to go up here and see, like, I don't know, like midnight or something, but it's only 10. I guess that's good. I don't care about these errors right now. They're not affecting me, so meh. Plus, if you go onto Amazon, their website is covered in errors, so, and they're doing pretty okay. Okay, so I think there may be a problem with me just going too fast over all these dates. For some reason, they're not getting added on. Like, looking at Ireland, the other, what was it, 3 or 4 dots aren't showing up here. Excuse me, had to burp, too much coke. Where are my dots? Where are my dots? What does this return? I wonder. This if this, like I'm in console log. And that's going to print out arrays, right? But what happens when there's no array there? Undefined. Okay. So how do I check if something is undefined? You see, what is going on here? Because, fuck. Too far. Now this dot is printing out, but I don't have these two. Why is that? Like, is it because I'm moving too fast? I just do this a couple of times. There she is. And yeah, see all these new dots just popping up because I'm going slower. That's because of my for loops, I think. I think it's because I'm using for loops. I don't know. D3 slider. Slider range. Not adding circles. I don't know. We'll see. Circle points don't update when changing slider, and yeah, so you were missing enter and update and exit. What? What's an exit selector? Ew. Var exit selection, update selection, exit dot remove. Do I need to use that? Fuck am I looking for? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Typical. Let's refresh. Plus, as well, like this first dot isn't getting loaded because if I go here and I go back, that's it. So this array isn't like getting put on the map anywhere. It's in Australia somewhere, is it? Oh, Austria. Oh, yes, there. Yeah. See that right in the middle of the screen? There. Pretty sure if I refresh the page, that dot doesn't show up. Yeah, it doesn't. Now, that's something I'm not really concerned about right now. But it is something I would like to address eventually. My main issue right now is the slider. not displaying all the dots. Or any of them. We should have another dot now on the page somewhere. I think. Yeah, I don't know where though. Oh yeah, there. That's a reported disc in Portugal in 1917. Yeah. Interesting. I might make this publicly available at some point. This is pretty cool. Like, if I make it look a bit better, and clean up the code because I'm not happy with the code at all. Yeah, like. What I could do is I could load, like, it's probably not the best solution because I'm loading everything at once, But what I could do is load all of the images onto the screen at once. See all these new images? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I can load all the images onto the screen at once at the start. And then they all have a class of hidden applied maybe. And then when I start to scroll this way, I can go through all the DOM elements and find the ones that have that date as an attribute. So for example, if we zoom in on one of these guys, too far. If we right click and inspect, you can see I've added like custom data points or data attributes. So daytime right here. So I could add something like, you could do it like that, yeah. Find ones that have matching dates, show them. That requires a lot of DOM traversal though, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. Fuck. Can't tell if the person who's watching live now is me or if it's somebody else. If you're watching this, just send a message. Let me see if there's another human being on the other end, or if it's just me talking to a mic in my bedroom. I'm waiting. Well, I was looking at top chat. What? Top chat is fine. I don't know. So let's do this. Just console log the year. So now we're just console logging the year, right? So and no matter how quick I go, it will console log them all, I think. 3, 4, 5. Oh, it skipped 6. It skipped 4. It skipped 2. Why is that? Why is it skipping years? Like, I presume it's because I'm moving too quick. So if I clear this and I just go like that, yeah, Alright, range slider not outputting, or value not updating. Jesus, can't spell. Not updating when moved quickly. Use .val. I am using .val, aren't I? I'm using .value. e.target.val. Consider using that instead of keeping it in a variable. Because if you need it in a variable, the slider will go back to where it was within 1 second. Okay, you're on the right track. I used this instead of calling attribute. Down selected query input range. Jesus. So what am I doing? I just add an event listener directly to the guy. What I could do is I could make it so that when you slide the slider quickly or at all, it doesn't update automatically. But that's not good. I want it to update not automatically, continuously. But I want it to update continuously. So that like each dot comes up every time you move it, you know? I think the best thing to do... how long have I been streaming? 43 minutes, almost an hour. Wow. I think the best thing to do is to watch. Like every time it's moved. Oh no, I can't do that. Fuck. Anybody out there know how to like do this? What am I doing on change or on input? I'm doing input. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do here. HTML5 range slider moved MOV moved quick SKLY No, moved. Oh, moved. Am I spelling that wrong? I'm dyslexic. Leave me alone. Let's see if we can find me on YouTube. Want to take a break? Not that easy. Me immediately searching for like live streaming stuff. Oh, Joe Rogan's on. That's where everybody is. Watching Sky News. I didn't even know what I called this. What's that? Live coding. D3. Ah, look at that. 5K. Oh, I'm never gonna get found, am I? Wow, what's the name of this? This guy. Let's get the exact link. Let's see if we can find it. Nope. Oh no. Oh well. Oh no, there it is. Woo. I like this. I can see me. Gonna mute that though. Let's hear me. I like this. I can see me. Gonna mute that though. Kind of trippy, right? Like I presume this is gonna keep repeating. I like this. I can see me. Let's see what happens. Kind of trippy, right? Like I presume this is gonna keep repeating. I like this. I can see me. Yes. What are you on about? Yeah. No, that's not real. Whatever the hell you're doing. Alright, gonna have to cut this short. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's interesting. Glad that I can live stream. We'll try this again. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe with some more structure, and it's not just, when it's not just me giving out about D3 and my bad layout of the application. Okay, bye for now.